Daily Cleansing Shampoo for all hair textures and types, for dry, brittle, stressed and damaged hair, breakage, tangles, frizz, elasticity restoration, hair loss prevention and hair growth. Nourishes and replenishes the scalp's natural oils and strengthens, moisturizes, and structures the roots and the hair follicles to make your hair thicker, fuller, shinier and more manageable. Black Jamaican Castor Oil is rich in vitamin E and omega-6-9 fatty acids that can improve blood circulation to the scalp, which helps nutrients reach your hair and encourages hair growth. Formulated with Argan Oil, which is rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E that also help to increase the hair's elasticity and consistently restore shine to dull, lifeless hair. Hair type. All hair types, all. Stronger, richer, fuller hair growth begins with the right shampoo. OK Moisture Growth Shampoo with Black Jamaican Castor Oil and Argan Oil will help hair growth by moisturizing dry, stressed, damaged hair. This daily shampoo is the first step for cleansing and reconstructing the hair in preparation for hair growth. Top reviews from the United States. It regrows hair. I heard that castor oil will thicken and regrow hair. It's true. My hair is thicker after one bottle. I love it.